Link is considered one of the strong currencies, and a strong rise is expected, God willing. It has broken out of the resistance or consolidation zone in the near term, and looking at the bigger picture, it was in a clear resistance area on the chart. For Link, the next targets will be large, God willing, and at a rapid pace. The currency's upward wave is approaching resistance areas at the top, specifically in the 40s, over the coming period. If this pattern continues, the currency will break its previous high. As for the major currencies, we still have time, and therefore it can be said that Link will break its 2021 high. As for SERM, it is also currently close to important levels and has not yet reached its 2021 high, which makes it likely to break that year's highs, especially since it is still far from the main bottom. As for Link, it is not near the bottom, which increases the chances of it reaching or even breaking the top. The next momentum wave in the currency is expected. As for Solana, the situation is similar. It is close to its previous high, having reached it previously and then corrected. The distance between it and the current peak is close to that of Ethereum, but Solana's potential profit margin is greater. Ethereum needs a rise of approximately 20% to reach the peak, while Solana needs a rise of 53%. This is because Solana's profit margin is faster and stronger. Opportunities for currencies that have not yet moved are still present. And before these currencies surprise you with breakthroughs, it is important to exploit the current consolidation zones, especially at the end of the cycle. Solana is also a large market cap currency, directly below the major currencies. The market currently ranks Ripple after SERM, followed by XRP, BNB, and then Solana. These large currencies are expected to offer strong opportunities in the coming period, but the market requires patience and cannot be rushed. Solana's targets may be large, and this depends primarily on the Bitcoin factor. At the end of the cycle, the price of Bitcoin will have a significant impact. The higher Bitcoin achieves, the more liquidity flows into the market, and consequently, cryptocurrencies will record higher numbers. Solana's $2,000 level by the end of the season is not unlikely. It's likely to be achieved, and even $4,000 is possible if the right conditions exist. The deciding factor will be Bitcoin's strength and the amount of liquidity entering the market. The previous impulse wave on Solana achieved 12x to 14x of its base rally, and now that it's in a new rally zone, it could easily repeat that. A similar bull run isn't difficult to achieve. Time is still on our side, and this is the most important factor to consider, along with the speed of currency movements and Bitcoin's performance. The higher Bitcoin rises, the more cryptocurrencies will move, setting new records. The market offers golden opportunities, but success requires patience and careful selection of the right moment to enter. Maintain your strategy and don't rush. The next wave could be the biggest, and those who prepare for it now will be the biggest winners.